Z-Grills is offering a buy one get 10 free program. That's right, when you buy a high quality pellet grill at the retail price, Z-Grills will send you 10 more grills for free. That's a brand new upgraded pellet grill every 5 years for the next 50 years. This buy one get 10 promotion isn't just about selling grills. It's a strategic investment in their brand's long-term growth. Z-Grills is passionate about introducing more people to the joys of pellet grilling and showcasing their exceptional quality. We are a busy family, and as you can see, we use our pellet grill for so many meals, and it has made our lives so much easier.
Don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Head on over to zgrills.com to find out all the details and take advantage of this fabulous deal. Happy grilling!
What if I told you if you buy one pellet smoker today, you'll get a new one every 5 years for the next 50 years for free? So that's buy one, get 10 free. I'm working with Z-Grills for this awesome Father's Day promotion where you buy one of their 700 or 1000 series pellet smokers, and then every 5 years you get another one for free. All you have to do is pay a $100 shipping charge. They ship in 3 to 5 days. You don't have to worry about the technology advancing so that you get FOMO and just want to go out and buy another one. You don't have to worry about it wearing out because every 5 years you're going to have a brand new pellet smoker. Then you can do whatever you want with it. You can sell it, gift it to a friend, which is what I typically do. But I've already picked up mine for Father's Day. This is an amazing deal. Now it's time to buy yours.
I'm here to tell you some good news. You know, I always thought nothing in life's free. I stand corrected. The fine folks over at Z-Grills are running a limited time special promotion. When you buy one Z-Grill, you get a free Z-Grill every 5 years. I don't know about y'all, but I usually upgrade every 5 years, so a free grill every 5 years for 50 years sounds like a pretty sweet deal to me. The technology on these grills is constantly evolving, so just think about every 5 years you get a new grill with all the newest tech. And y'all, I wouldn't promote a product that I don't believe in myself. I've done anything from a 14-hour brisket, whole chickens, burgers, you name it on this grill. So, if you've been on the fence about buying a pellet grill, maybe this is finally the deal for you. Hey, go check out the link in my bio and get you a Z-Grill while this offer still stands. All right, I gotta go. Going to cook some ribs. Y'all still here? Go to the link in my bio.
Got some exciting news coming from Z-Grills. They're offering a great deal. You buy one grill, and you get a grill every 5 years, all the way through 50 years. That's an awesome deal. You'll get the latest, greatest technology. If you're interested, check out the link in my bio and get them cooking.
Have I mentioned lately how much I love my Z-Grills pellet smoker? Y'all, this thing is amazing, and if you have been around for a while, you have seen me make all kinds of dishes on this thing. It's amazing. So if you're in the market for a pellet grill, you're in luck because Z-Grills just launched an epic deal that you don't want to miss. Buy one premium grill and get one free grill every 5 years over 50 years. That's a total of 10 free grills. Me and my husband often wonder what we did without our pellet grill because it's so versatile and we use it several times a week. I can smoke, I can grill, I can slow cook, and y'all, I'm Cajun and I even made a rice and gravy on this thing. No kidding. I have always been intimidated by grilling outside, but y'all, even I can work this thing. It's so easy. The only downside to this is that my husband and I fight over who is going to use it. So click the link in my bio to grab yours and let me know, what should I cook next?
And this is what a 50-year investment looks like. If you buy a new Z-Grills pellet grill, they're gonna send you new ones for 50 years. Yeah, that's right. If you buy one, they're gonna send you 10 free pellet grills over the next 50 years. Just think of how many delicious briskets or delicious ribs you can make in 50 years. So make sure you go to the Z-Grills website in the description and use my code so you can get 10 free.
So, are all those videos you've been watching a scam on the Z-Grill? I like to tell you that they're not. I know, you're thinking, it's too good to be true. Let me let you in on a little secret. Z-Grills has done this before with a cashback program, and they 100% paid everyone. So if you think they're going out of business, you're mistaken. They're investing in their company long term. Some things you just gotta believe in. Right Way Barbecue is here to tell you that Z-Grills is here to stay. Buy one of these Z-Grills and get 10 free. So anytime they make modifications to this, you're gonna get the updated version in 5 years. And I'm very aware that Z-Grills is new to the market, and maybe some of you never even heard of them. Believe it or not, they've been making grills for 15 years. And before you think, wait, you're pulling one over on us, you're paying for a grill that you would normally buy anyways. And then you're getting 10 free. It's a no-brainer. You can't lose in this deal. And if you're worried about getting your 10 grills, you can get all 10 of them sent to your house right now.
Are you still using charcoal propane instead of pellet grill? Do you suffer from constant grill anxiety? You can't walk away for a quick second. Your carefully prepared chicken is being destroyed by the flare-ups of propane. Ow. Z Grills gives you complete control. Anything from smoking all the way up to your high temp grilling. And here's what's so crazy. When you buy one now, you're gonna get 10 free grills. 10 free grills. One grill for free every 5 years for the next 50 years. Let the grill do the work for you, not the other way around. You could gift them to your friends, your family, your kids. You can redeem them early if you want. Just buy one. Success.
What's up, fuckers? Behind me, I've got a brand new pellet smoker from Z Grills. They sent it out to let y'all know about a special offer. But first, let's get it put together. 3 trail sodas later, and we got ourselves a grill. And this thing is pretty sweet. Pretty heavy duty, some nice coated grates. Heavy on the sides, got a decent sized hopper box. And you even got a little place to store your pellets down below. If you're in the market for a new pellet grill, this deal's for you. Because if you buy one like this, you get a new one every 5 years for the next 50 years. Free grill every 5 years is not gonna last long. It's a limited time offer. But if you wanna be the BMOC, go check the link in my bio. And if I don't have you sold yet, stick around for the first cook on this guy. We'll show off all the features and see how well it cooks. Thanks for watching. Y'all enjoy.
Z Grills is running a limited time offer that you do not want to miss. Did you forget about that? Well, this is the time to make up for it. If you buy a pellet grill today, you get a new pellet grill every 5 years for 50 years. I don't know about you, but that's a heck of a deal. That's like buying 1 beer and getting 9 beers free. I'll toast to that. But for real, if you're like me and you're dying for a new grill every 5 years, so Z Grills is going to hook you up. But in all honesty, go check out the link in my bio or in the description and get your Z Grills on the way. What are y'all waiting for?
Y'all, my friends over at Z Grills is offering the deal of a lifetime. Buy 1 pellet smoker full price, get 10 free. You get a free grill every 5 years for 50 years. So that means you get all the newest and latest technology over the course of the next 50 years. Don't miss out on this deal, y'all. They got tons of them to choose from. Click the link in my link tree and check it out for yourself. It's an awesome deal. Peace out.
Z Grills has a great offer. Buy 1 premium pellet grill, get a new free grill every 5 years. That means if you buy a new grill in 2024, you'll get a new grill every 5 years until the year 2074. And that's like getting 11 grills for the price of 1. Now, if you're new to Z Grills and you're wondering how they cook, check out this chicken half. Beautiful and delicious. When it's time to receive your new grill, you'll get an email from Z Grills with all the information you need to collect that free grill. And Z Grills is a brand you can trust to deliver on this special offer because, come on, we all deserve great barbecue. Click on the link in the bio for all the program details.
What if Winston and I told you this is the last pellet smoker grill you have to buy for the next 50 years, or in my case, until I die? Z Grills, my buddies over here, are running a promo for the 4th of July. You buy 1 Z Grills of their 700 series or 1000 series, and you get 1 free every 5 years. All you have to do is pay $100 for the shipping. Husbands, listen up. This is how you sell it to your wife. I know you have FOMO when the neighbor gets a new smoker, or your friend gets a new smoker, or your best friend gets a new smoker. This is the deal for you. You sell it to the partner or the wife on, hey, I'm gonna buy one and you're gonna get 1 free every 5 years for the next 50 years. They're gonna say yes. Winston, aren't we right? We're right, 80 degrees. This is the one you want, I promise you. 3 to 5 days shipping, US only. It's the greatest deal I've ever seen in the history of pellet smokers. None of the competition's doing this. And Z Grills, I wouldn't put my name on it if I didn't believe in it. You guys can believe in it too. It's a brand you can trust. Winston, can you trust them? He says you can trust them. Go ahead, order one now. Leave a comment below. Let me know when you get yours and what you're going to cook on it first, and I'll catch you in the next cook.
What's up, guys? Z-Grills is offering a smoking hot deal right now that you have to hear about. You get a free grill every 5 years for the next 50 years. Buy one grill, get 10 grills free. This is every dad's dream deal. It's literally the last grill you will ever need. Check out the link in my bio for details. Do not miss out on this delicious deal. Bye.
What's up, y'all? What would you say if I told you about a promotion that gets you free grills for life? Folks over at Z-Grills are offering a package where you buy your first grill for $777 and they'll send you a free grill every 5 years after that for 50 years. That's right, I said free. All you pay is a shipping fee. If you like me and you like to stay up to date with the latest technology, this is the deal for you. You want your free grills early? You can do that. Like the grill you have and you want to give the new one to a friend? You can do that too. I know you're probably thinking that this deal is too good to be true, but I'm here to tell you it's legit. If you don't believe me, click the link in my bio and head over to Z-Grills and sign yourself up for the deal of a lifetime.
Hey, I'm Jen from the Lifestylist. Are you tired of charcoal and gas grilling? Up your grill game this summer with Z-Grills Buy One Get 10 program. You get a free grill every 5 years for 50 years. Each new grill will boast the freshest features, ensuring you stay ahead of the grilling curve. Their grills are easy to use and maintain and feature temperature control that will ensure perfectly cooked food every time. Plus, their unique wood pellet system infuses food with a smoky flavor that charcoal and gas grills can't match. Click the link below to learn more about the Buy One Get 10 program and find the perfect grill to pick out your summer grill adventure.
What's up, y'all? What would you say if I told you about a deal where you can buy one grill and get 10 grills free? Folks over at Z-Grills are offering just that. You buy your first grill for $777 and Z-Grills is going to send you a free grill every 5 years for the next 50 years. That's right, I said free. All you pay is the shipping fee. If you're like me and like to stay up to date with the latest technology, then this is the deal for you. If you want your new grills early, you can do that. If you want to give the new one to a friend, you can do that too. I know you must be thinking this deal's too good to be true, but I'm here to tell you it's legit. If you don't believe me, hit the link in my bio and head on over to Z-Grills and sign yourself up for the deal of a lifetime.
Stop looking at my balls and answer me this. Does your smoker have stuff growing on it that lacquer thinner and a penicillin shot couldn't get off? Probably so. Listen to this deal.
This sounds brutal. Z-Grills is running a deal right now. Buy one, get 10 free. You're not hearing me wrong. Buy one, get 10 free. Every 5 years, you'll get another grill. So you ain't even got to worry about all that stuff that penicillin can and take off. Because you just get a new grill in 5 years by the time the really harmful stuff starts to grow on it.
Waiting on burgers, but the link's in my bio if you want to get you one. Every 5 years, pay your shipping, new grill. Boom, can't beat that with a stick, baby.
What do we have cooking in here? A deal, that's what. And I know what you're thinking, it looks like a child wrote this, but that's not what this is about. Right now, when you buy one high quality pellet grill from Z-Grills for retail price, you're gonna get 10 free. You're gonna get a free grill every 5 years for the next 50 years. Once you grill early, don't even worry about it, there's ways you can do that too. The best part about this is there's zero risk to you. Z-Grills did a promotion like this a few years back where it was a 5-year cashback deal in 2019, and guess what? They made good on all their promises. They made good on the deal, so they're ready to do it again this time. Are you worried about new technology coming out and not having the latest and greatest grill? Don't worry, every 5 years you get a new grill with all the latest and greatest technology, so you don't even have to worry about that. Z-Grills is making this happen on a limited budget, so don't miss out on this deal of a lifetime. Head over to zgrills.com and get yours today before this fantastic deal is over. Now let's get to grilling.
Hey, what's up, guys? PW's Front Porch Barbecue here. I'm here today to talk to y'all about Z-Grills. Y'all, they have an amazing deal going on right now. It's buy one, get 10 free. Yes, I said buy one, get 10 free. Guys, y'all go to zgrills.com, check out their premium smokers. You get one every 5 years for 50 years, and you get the latest and greatest technology every 5 years, so you're not missing out on the upgrades or nothing like that, guys. So hell yeah, there you go. But anyway, guys, don't have no worries. They've done a program like this in the past. In 2019, it was a 5-year cashback guarantee. Had great customer reviews on it, so you have no worries. So all you gotta do is go check out zgrills.com. Get you one of these great pellet smokers right here, guys. This one here has been amazing to me. It's about 6 years old or older. Been amazing. go check out zgrills.com. Get you a great pellet smoker like this. Hope everybody has a wonderful 4th of July, and grill on, y'all.
You will get 10 free. If you buy one of these Z grills, you can get them all now or over a span of 50 years. You pick. Z grills have been making grills for over 15 years. They are investing long term for the future. Every time they make an upgrade or a change in either electronics or body style, every 5 years, you'll be able to get one of your new grills. Z Grill Company is investing in the future to get more grills out to you guys.
I love a good sale. I found some pork spare ribs on sale. We hit them with a mustard binder, a little bit of sriracha. You know I put that garlic jalapeno on there. And then this right here, cherry cola. We tried it, why? Because it was on sale. We threw that on the pit. We've been smoking it for about 4 hours. Got it wrapped up now. But let me tell you about the ultimate sale. If you've been thinking about getting a pellet grill, now is the time. Z Grills is running a buy one, get 10. You didn't hear me wrong. Buy one, get 10. Every 5 years, they're going to send you a new grill. You want a new grill early? You could do that too. Check them out, y'all. Links in my bio. Y'all get you one.
You never know where you might find a great deal. Sometimes it's right in front of you.
If you've been following me since the fall of last year, you know how much I love my Z Grills. I cook on it virtually all the time. I'm here to tell you about a limited time offer that Z Grills is offering. You buy one grill at a regular price, and you get to upgrade every 5 years for the next 50 years. Let me repeat that. You buy one grill, regular price, and you get to upgrade every 5 years for the next 50 years. That's 10 grills. If you're in the market for a pellet grill, I highly recommend Z Grills. Click that link in my bio, in my link tree, take you right to it. How cool is that? That is a sweet deal that I would not pass up.
And here's that deal that I'm talking about. Take a moment, pause the screen if you need to. It explains everything. I'm gonna hush, let you read. Don't sleep on this deal. There's no one else offering anything else like it.
I just got an email. Z Grills is doing a buy one, get 10 free grills for just $777.
That sounds like a scam.
Yeah, it's totally a scam. It even shows it on their website.
Why would they give you free grills? Don't click on anything, it's probably a virus.
Can you get the door, please?
Yeah.
Hi, we got your Z Grill that you ordered?
Well, I don't think that's mine.
Yeah, no, this is definitely yours.
You got the wrong address.
It shows right here your address.
No, I don't think that's mine, sir.
Nope, this is definitely yours. Yep, says right here.
Okay. I might have put it in my cart, but I didn't. There's no way that this is mine already.
Who is it?
Keep your voice down. Go around the side.
It's all right. It's the solar panel people again. Nope, they're trying to sell us solar panels.